Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today's topic is wheel brushes. What are they? What do they do? Which one's the perfect one for you? There's different types of wheels, different finishes, different designs. There's a bunch of different factors as far as choosing the perfect wheel cleaning brush. And honestly, there's really not a brush that does it all. You know, you're gonna need a combination of some brushes in order to achieve the ultimate wheel clean, and that's what we're gonna be talking about today. So let's go with the first one. So the first brush that we have right here is the Wheelie Wheel Brush. Now this is a traditional wheel brush. You can use this for cleaning virtually all wheel finishes. You can use this for cleaning the face of the wheel, like on chrome, painted, powder coated, clear coated, anodized, OEM, I can go all day long. This brush is virtually safe for all wheel finishes, and it does an incredible job because the bristles of the brush, they're flexible. You can go ahead and maneuver all around your wheel with ease, and you can really use this to get into a variety of areas all across your wheel. Now this is one of our most popular ones just because of the flag tip bristles. It has a nice cleaning power and has a nice soft touch, so it's tough on grime yet gentle on wheel finishes. The next brush that we have is our Wheelworks Wheel and Body Brush. Now this brush is also flag tip, however, this one, it's a little bit more on the medium side. So this is gonna be great for breaking down heavier grime, more filthy wheels. It's flag tip, so like I mentioned, it's gonna do an incredible job on all wheel finishes, and it's just gonna give you a little more oomph. It's gonna give you more cleaning power. It's gonna help you agitate more brake dust, dirt, and grime that builds up. And me personally, I love using this brush, especially on undercarriages. It does an incredible job at cleaning undercarriages on trucks so that you can easily break down dirt and grime, anything that gets lodged in there. It's flexible, it's gonna get into all the grooves, all the crevices, and do an incredible job at just giving you that nice ultimate clean. Next on the list, we have the Big Blue Stiffy. Now this brush is a hard bristle brush. So this is gonna do an incredible job at breaking down tough grime on more durable surfaces, like on tires, undercarriage, things of that nature. You're gonna use a brush like this to scrub away any kind of previous dressings, heavy buildup of grime and grease that builds up on your tires and undercarriage. So this is gonna do an incredible job at breaking that stuff down. Just kind of segueing away from wheels for a quick second, this brush can also be used for cleaning carpets and fabrics. Does an incredible job at that as well. And it also doubles for the perfect tire cleaning brush. Next on the list, we have the Red Rocket. Now the Red Rocket, it's a longer brush, as you guys can see. So this brush is great for getting into barrels of your wheels. So, the area of your wheels that, most people wouldn't clean. This is gonna be that brush that's gonna help you achieve that nice deep clean. So this is gonna let you go all the way in there so that you get all that nasty dirt and grime from out the barrel. This is really gonna set your wheel cleaning game apart from anybody else's. Most people, they'll clean the face of the wheel and just call it a day. Us detailers, we don't settle for that. We love achieving that deep clean, and the Red Rocket is what's gonna help you get there. So this Red Rocket, you can use it for cleaning the barrel of the wheel. You can also use this for cleaning the undercarriage as well. It also comes in two different sizes. So you have your Red Rocket, and then you also have your little Red Rocket. And one of my personal favorite things about this brush is that it's flexible. So you can go ahead and grab the brush right here where it has the bristles, bend it so that you can get behind the spokes as well, so that you really achieve that ultimate clean. Moving on, we have our two Rimpaca wheel brush sets. Now on your left side, which is my right side, you have your Rimpaca reach around. Now this is a 2-pack of wheel brushes, and these are made of synthetic wool. So these have a nice soft touch. So especially if you have very sensitive wheel finishes like matte, painted, or powder coated, these are going to do great allowing you to safely clean up your wheels. And you're not limited to using these just on your wheels. You can actually use this for a variety of surfaces around your car. You can use it for cleaning your exhaust pipes, engine bay cleanings, and you can also use it dry as well and use it as a duster for your dashboard. And the same thing applies with this one. You can use it wet or dry, and really the main difference between these two sets is that this set is going to have 3 different sizes that are all straight and allows you to go deeper into your wheel, whereas the reach rounds have that unique angle design. And then the next brush that we have right here is our Boars Hair detailing brush. Now, as you can imagine, you have those little areas, intricate areas of your wheels that you can't necessarily get to with any of these larger brushes, and that's why we have a special brush just for you. Now, this brush is great for getting into those very tight, intricate areas like your lug nuts, your valve stem, your brake caliper, and really any other part of your wheels that you want to have a nice, small, detailed brush to get into. And personally, I also love using this brush for cleaning the face of the wheel, depending on the wheel finish. Most times the the Wheelie does a great job at covering the more broad face finish wheels, whereas this Boar's Hair brush can also be used for the face of the wheels if you have many intricate spokes. So if you have a wheel that has a ton of spokes, this is going to do a great job at just letting you get in there. The bristles, they're very flexible, so that you can go ahead and flex them, get into all those hard to reach areas, and you can use this with any of your favorite Chemical Guys wheel cleaners. And then last but not least, we have an alternative method for cleaning your wheels, and that is with our Stranger Helpful Handy Mitt. Now you can use this Stranger Helpful Handy Mitt for cleaning wheels, and you can also use it for washing your car. What you don't want to do is use it for both. So if you're going to use it to clean your wheels, keep it for cleaning wheels and keep your other one for washing your car. That way you avoid cross-contamination. But this is great because you have that 5-finger action. So you can go ahead and just pretty much get your hand in there, and you can go ahead and work your fingers all around the spokes of your wheels, all those hard to reach areas, the barrels, the undercarriage, and really this is like the ultimate wheel cleaning glove. So this is going to do an incredible job of just giving you the best versatility, mobility, and access to all parts of your wheels. It's dual-sided, it's microfiber, it's super soft, super plush, and it's going to be super safe for any type of wheel finish. All right, guys, and that pretty much wraps it up. Just a quick, brief explanation of some of these wheel brushes. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like. Subscribe if you haven't done so already so that you don't miss out on our future videos. And I want you guys to comment down below right now in the comment section, what is your go-to Chemical Guys wheel brush cleaning combination? If you guys enjoyed any of the brushes that we mentioned in today's video, you can actually pick them up directly on our website, chemicalguys.com, or you can swing by your local detail garage and pick it up in person. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I will see you guys next time.